My love for photography started in roughly 2012 when I bought my first Nikon DSLR camera, which was the Nikon Z50II. I had it for about 12 years, so which meant in 2024, in December, I believe, I bought this one. This is the Nikon Z50II. I bought it with the kit lens. You can buy the lens separately and the body, of course, as well. It has a crop sensor, so when you buy a lens, you have to take into account the 1.5 crop factor. So when you use I believe, a 35mm on a crop sensor, it's an equivalent of about 52mm on a full frame camera. And in this video today, or this evening, I will show you the power of the kit lens that came with the Z50II. And as always, I will put the smartphone on my chest because most of the time I'm doing POV videos for two reasons. I like them and I got no help. So I'm doing this all by myself. I always do. Maybe in the future my son will help me. I don't know. He might be into it. I just recorded a video for him for school about an hour ago. So I'll put you on my chest and let's go. Bluebells. Bluebells. Ooh, I see a lot of them got trampled. Have to watch out. So I'm gonna take a picture. Oh my god, look at this. People are just trampling them. Let's see. And as always, I will put the pictures on screen as I take them. That's what I always do. I will set it to center weighted metering because it's too dark. Let's take another one. Nice, nice. You can see the depth of field. Some bokeh in the background. I'm not zooming in at all because I'm trying. See, I'm at 35 millimeters. Like I told you, the 52 equivalent for full frame. Because I'm interested in buying a prime lens, a 35, and I wanna just like compare every focal length by using this kit lens. There is like a statue of a deer. So compensation a little bit darker. There. I want to buy like a prime lens. I don't know, maybe a Viltrox 35mm f1.7. You can tell me in the comments, what do you use as your camera? What's your most popular or best lens you have? Oh, look at these. I'm gonna take a shot of these white little thingies. Click. You can tell me in the comments, and please like and subscribe this video. That will help me out a lot. I'm on YouTube not that long. I mean, like 7-8 months maybe. This is I think my 14th 15th video, something like that. My channel is growing, not exponentially but very slowly. My first milestone is around the corner. I've got 98 subscribers, 2 to go, and I'm at 100 if I'm counting correctly. That way it will be too dark. I'm using DaVinci Resolve 21 Studio, the beta version, which now has like a photo editing mode on it. I tried it in my last video, but I don't really like it. DaVinci Resolve is one of the best, I mean the best in color grading videos. You can edit your videos through the color page as well. I'm so addicted to Lightroom, Lightroom Classic. And by the way, my portfolio is online. It is in Dutch. I don't know if it gets translated to the language in your country. I don't know, but the basic is in Dutch because hey, I'm from Belgium. Right, let's make this scene. a little more dramatic through editing. Take one like this. I've set the Nikon Z50II to focus through the back button focus. I program it on this one, so this is the back button. I press it and it focuses. So I would like to urge you to do that as well. It's very handy. That's what all the pros use. I'm not saying I'm a pro, far from. I'm quite the hobbyist, hobby photographer, sharing what I like. That's what I want to do. Share my experiences, and maybe you have experiences. So I'm trying to build like a community, really, with people like me, hobbyists, talk about cameras, talk about lenses, apertures, whatever. That's the whole goal of this channel. By the way, hi, my name is Peter. My channel's name is Life in Pixels. The power is in your camera. That's my slogan. Ooh, he's got a lot of dogs. This is a great scene as well. Nou, wat? It was good evening. He said, goede avond. Good evening. All right, this is it. Oh, froggies. You hear them? Frogs. Froggy! This should make a great shot. Let's see. A bit closer. The fluffy thingies sticking to 35. Look at that bokeh. You see it? Oh, there's like fish jumping out of the water. Or maybe it's a frog. I think they're gonna mate. He's calling for his girlfriend. Oh God, that's loud. Oh, the sun is reflecting on the water. Let's see what we can make of it. Too dark, too dark. Wow, nice. Let's see if we can take something in the foreground. Yeah. Let's see how that one comes out. Well, I used to put the pictures on screen unedited, but I will edit them immediately in Lightroom this time, not in DaVinci Resolve, until all the things are fixed and the beta is gone. Maybe I'll switch to highlight weighted metering now because of the sun. You see the histogram, how dark it gets. I really have to push the exposure compensation for it to move. And I got the sun right there, which is this little peak. As I move it, you will see it's kissing the right side. Not good. Keep away from that. Where are you? I don't see it. I don't see it. You see it? Right, let's continue. I want to like take one more shot into the sun with this light beam coming over the grass right here. Sun is right there. And let's see how this one turns out. Oh, there's like mosquitoes everywhere. Definitely have to cut out the sunlight. Focus a little bit lower. Take one like this. There. Now we're back where we started. This evening, the sun is setting. There's less and less light coming in. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed this video with the Nikon Z52 with the kit lens, the 16 to 50 millimeters. Be sure to watch this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.